In this video, we will talk about how to check PC specs in Windows 11. Method 1. Check PC specs using Settings. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, click on System. Scroll down to the bottom. Select About. Here, you can see your device name, processor, installed RAM, system type, then your Windows version and build. Method 2. Full system information. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type msinfo32 and press Enter. Here, you can find full system information. Method 3. Graphics card information. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type dxdiag and press Enter. Here, you can see DirectX version, display adapter details, graphics memory, and sound devices. So that's how you can check PC specs in Windows 11. That's all for today. See you in the next video.